Welcome to a series of 100 Python tips for beginner. Tip 6. Get items in the middle of the list. I have a list with items from 1 to 10 and I want to get the middle items in this list from 2 to 9 and ignore the first and the last items just in a line of code. How to do this? You can directly write underscore, which means the first, ignore it, then comma, then star, and write the name of your new list. For example, I will write middle. Okay, then comma, then underscore, which means ignore also the last item in the list, equal the name of the list that you want to extract item from. Then let's print the new list, which is middle. This is our new list. Let's run the code and see the result. Here you are. The result is just items from 2 to 9. Ignore the first and the last items in the list. This is tip number 6, and we still have 94 tips. Like and subscribe to receive all videos as we upload videos all the time. And as usual, I hope to see you again.